Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time for another Stampin' Up haul. I have 2 boxes, so let me show you everything that I got here. I'm just going to open these up and then we're going to go through. Some of it's going to be boring because one of it's a whole block set. I got all the blocks and I'm going to be using them for giveaways, prizes, because I know you guys love the boxes, or the blocks, and all the other great stuff. I got lots of fun prizes for my team and things like that. So let me show you as a demonstrator. I got all of these fun pens. So every so often I randomly give gifts to my the people on my team. So let's see, I got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of these packs. So pretty. Of pens. And then I've got a bunch of stickers. Now these can only be bought when you are a Stampin' Up demonstrator. So I bought 5 packs of those. And then I picked myself up a desk calendar. So I was super excited for that. It looks like it has the whole week, plus I could stamp on it. So I think that will be fun. That'll give you a new little thing to look at while I'm stamping. And then we're going to get into the other box of stuff. And I want to show you all the different size blocks as well. So this is an F block. I'm going to hold it so you can, there we go. See how big that is? It covers like my whole face. That is a D block. This is what we use most commonly, especially with paper pumpkin. Ah, just dropped it. This is an H block. So I think you'd appreciate seeing all these different size blocks. That's a G for just a little teeny tiny message. That's an E block. That's just a little bit bigger than the D block, but those work for like nice big flowers and stuff like that. And then this is the I block. And that would be for like big messages or one big flower or something like that. There's a little guy there. Maybe some little hearts and stuff like that. The C, I'm going to show you the difference. The C and the B blocks. Because at first I was like, I think those are the same. And then finally, which is my little favorite, and I do use it quite often, is the little tiny A block. And so I use those on little single hearts or little single flowers and stuff like that. I also picked up a bunch of refills. Here we go. Just 3 refills for the Stampin' Seal. I love that you only have to really purchase one time. Let me show you here. You just purchase the Stampin' Seal or the Stampin' Seal Plus, and then you've got the thing and you just have to refill that. And so then you can buy your refills for less than buying a whole brand new one. So I got 3 refills. That should last me a while. And then, oh my goodness, you guys, I got 2 Wink of Stellas. One because I ran out, and the other one because I want to show some techniques with it. So I got one to color with and one to use plain. So that's why I bought 2. So I am going to be here this week making videos, making cards, doing all kinds of fun stuff, doing some DIYs and stuff like that. I would love to have you join me, so make sure you click subscribe, hit that bell so you are notified, and I will see you soon. All right, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. I appreciate you. Have a great day and a wonderful week. Bye!